definitely another tutorial.
So before I get started, let me show you guys the palette. So the palette came in packaging like this from Sephora. This is a pleather, fake leather bag with beautiful red woven drawstring. And of course it came in this box, and out of the box, this is what it looks like. I got my fingerprints all on it. But a beautiful gold in the back, gold in the front. Ugh. And then you open it up, and the mirror kind of looks like crystal or a diamond. And voila, this beautiful palette. And I know that a lot of us think the same thing, especially those on a budget. This looks kind of like every other palette that I have in my collection. Kinda, but not really. And I say not really because the quality of these eyeshadows is exceedingly unique. They're very smooth to touch, very buttery to apply, even the ones that are kind of metallic and dry, and they blend out like a dream. It's ridiculous. Anyway, to me, this palette is a makeup artist's dream because of the way everything applies. And I also think that if you're someone who loves makeup and likes luxury products, or even just wants a simple palette to use that can do just about everything, this is going to be your girl, and she does have quite a few others. So I'm going to recreate the look that I did for our collaboration, and I'm going to show y'all guys how nice and pretty these are. The eyeshadow primer that I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. This one does not come in any flesh tones yet, which is fine with me because I prefer a lighter one anyway. But I'm basically just tapping this in and blending it into the concealer. And you want to make sure that you make the base even so you don't have any lines of demarcation or patchiness in your eyeshadow. Let's grab our Pat McGrath palette and get started. I'm going to zoom you guys in. That's right, we sitting real close today. The first color that I'm going to use is called Disobedient. And I just put that in my crease. And as y'all can see, these colors are far more pigmented than you may possibly assume. I know when I've used products from luxury brands prior to trying Pat McGrath, I always was surprised at the lack of pigmentation and the inability to actually wear their products, because a lot of the time they're really geared towards people with lighter complexions or people who don't mind wearing ashy colors. You know what I'm saying? And I do mind wearing ashy colors. But anyway, so I'm putting that in my crease. And then I'm just going to smoke her out. You know what I'm saying? We're going to bring her out yonder. Man, that is bright. My lighting is bright. Anyway, we're going to bring her out over here. The next shade that I'm going to go into is called Entrapment. This is a warmer shade, a little bit lighter as well. Kind of reminds me of the color of pinto beans. I'm going to take my ring finger into the shade Bronze Blaze. That's how that looks. And I am literally, look at that. Ugh. Now I'm rubbing it on. That is just, I wish y'all could see it in person because, okay, gotta stop leaning in. I wish y'all could see it in person because it is a lot more incredible. Like, this is incredible. First of all, let me describe the texture of this eyeshadow. So it is in fact metallic. When I rub into the eyeshadow, honestly, it feels dry. It feels dry and a little bit textured, like a metallic eyeshadow should feel. And when I apply it, it just melts right onto my eye using my finger. When I use a brush, it does apply really nicely as well, but I think these look even better with my finger. Y'all know me, I am not a finger eyeshadow applying person because I don't like to get dirty, you know. So what I'm gonna do is smoke this out on into the two browns that I used. And as you can see, it's really easy to break this eyeshadow apart using a blending brush. This looks so beautiful. It almost looks like I have stars on my eye. And of course, if I felt like I need more dimension, I'll go back into Disobedient. And I'm just tapping it on. I'm not really blending it. And again, the colors just melt together. It is phenomenal. The next shadow that I used is Astral Luna Gold. And I literally just popped that right in here in my tear duct. And I did put it down here as well, but y'all know me, I gotta do my base makeup before I even go that far. Now this one I didn't mind building with a brush because I really didn't need it to be as intense. I hope this is translating on camera. Because in my monitor, it looks crazy. Okay, so let me go ahead and do my base and the other eye, and I'll be right back. Guess who finally figured out how to lock the exposure on her camera? I just looked it up on YouTube and watched the first video I saw and it worked. So, moving on, I'm going to take the shade Disobedient and put her right under here. Believe it or not, this look was super duper easy. And if I was not filming, it would probably take me maybe 15 minutes to do the whole eye, you know, because I can blend forever even when I probably should have stopped a long time ago. So we're just going to connect the top and the bottom. Then I'm going to take my tiny blending brush and Entrapment and do the exact same thing. So what I'm going to do now is something I didn't realize that I did was I took the shade Skin Show Divine Glow, and this is a cream shade, and I actually put that up in here. Right up in here. To kind of mesh everything together. And if y'all can hear Tulip and Snow, they have been playing and going back and forth with these toys. Kids, I tell ya. But I'm just gonna blend that out like that. Ooh, ooh. I kind of like that there's a little bit more green than it was before. So then taking Astral Luna Gold, I'm just gonna put her right there. And this brush that I'm using is from Thrive Cosmetics. It is one of their eyeshadow brushes. I think my computer died in the background, y'all. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so since I'm not a fan of like harsh lines like that, I'm just going to blow that out a little bit, just so it sort of not melts into my skin, but just looks softer, like a nice burst instead of like it's just sitting on my eye. There we go. So I'm going to take some Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I am going to put my beauty mark back in its place. You guys, before I do that though, I'm just going to see if I can pick up some of this fallout. I don't mind it right underneath my eye, but you know. Everywhere else, it's a bit much. Before I put on my lashes, I'm going to take my Kat Von D liquid liner. This is in the shade Trooper Black. And I am just going to make the skinniest line in existence on my lash line. They were doing just fine until I started filming. And I really do this to help with making sure my lash band looks like it's sitting right on my lashes. I tend to get them pretty close anyway, but just in case I am off my game, this acts as a shadow underneath the band. You know what I'm saying? The lashes I'm going to wear are my So Hollywood lashes from Eyeshadow. These are really, really cute lashes. Very dainty, real easy to wear. The band is made efficiently, in my opinion. How do y'all clean off your lashes when you want to wear them again? Do you just pull off the glue, or let me know? Comment down below. You know what? Let me zoom in so y'all can see me putting on these eyelashes. It just got dark in here. I'm so mad. Anyway, thank you, cloudiness. So I'm going behind the lashes. And then I am connecting. Can you see? And I'm moving them behind my eyelashes. And stick it. And I know there's going to be somebody saying, you make it look so easy. Girl, you know how long it took me to learn how to put on eyelashes? It was a fight, okay? I was doubting myself. And I will say that these lashes in particular they kind of stick more straight. They don't have much of a curl to them. You can try to curl faux lashes, but my recommendation is to just push them up if you want them to look like they're standing up a little bit more. I don't know. I'll do it one more time since it's pretty dark in here and I do want y'all to see. Okay, so here we go again, y'all. Am I close enough? Am I close enough? The lighting is boo-boo. So I'm looking down at my mirror. I can look down or I can look up. Usually I'll look up, but I am going behind my lashes, setting the band on my lash line. I pick up this outside corner, go behind the lashes. Stick it on there. Same thing over here, making sure that all the lashes are actually in front of the band. And by front, I mean down here. You should not be trying to squish your lashes in between your skin and the fake lash band. Your real eyelashes need to be underneath it, okay? That's how you get that uncomfortable poking and all that other stuff. And then I'll just push up a little bit. And this glue is really sticky, so I don't have to worry about lifting. But I do take care to make sure that it does not happen, because you know what? You can't rely on nobody, not even your lash glue, sis. You cannot rely on nobody. Of course, I'm going to wear mascara. So this is the Omelewa mascara from Amika. And I am going to pop this on my lashes, y'all. I am really appreciating this compact mirror from ABH. It is coming in more and more handy the more I pick it up and use it. I hope it never breaks. But if it does, I'll just get another one. I'll just buy one. Ugh, so pretty. Mascara is like lotion for your eyelashes. That's a really good mascara though. Real good. And then what I like to do is take my Kat Von D liquid liner again. And I'm not making eyeliner. I'm just going over the lash band super close to it. And I feel like I really can only do that with this eyeliner. There are a few, or this type of eyeliner, there are a few brands that make eyeliner like this. One of them being Clinique, the other one being MAC. And what it is the bristles. These are bristles. Here, these are bristles. So it's not a felt tip. It's not, I don't know what else people use for eyeliner. A doe foot applicator. It's just bristles that are all pointed together. This is the final look. Tell me what you guys think of this. Do you think it's pretty? Do you think it's too much? Where would you wear this look? I'm going to be wearing this to my meeting tonight at the Kingdom Hall, y'all. My thoughts on the palette. I think the palette is beautiful. Before I got the palette, I totally thought it was overpriced, not gonna lie. But you do get what you pay for as far as formulation goes. And I mean, just look at this. I don't have any eyeshadows, metallic, pressed glitter, or any that apply this smooth and this evenly with my finger. Okay? I don't have any that blend in like that mesh together, that are kind of just utterly seamless. Like there's no, I mean, I can always see flaws if I don't like something, but I don't have anything like this. So thank you again to Twintorials for this beautiful gift. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. Leave any comments, requests, or questions down below. And go ahead and subscribe right here. And then watch the next video. Hey little mama, let me whisper in your ear. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more tutorials. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.